This is the part where it all ends. If you don't want this, just
Okay.
Oh shit, on camera.
Okay. So we got the stencil on.
I won't stay blind. You've cried.